Hey there, my name is Lasia, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets with Braze's connected content. Are you tired of manually updating your emails every time there's a change in product information or customer data? That's where Braze's integration with Google Sheets comes in. Instead of spending hours and hours on updates, you can automate the process and ensure that your messages are always accurate and up to date without lifting a finger. Why choose Google Sheets over other solutions like catalogs or APIs? Google Sheets offers a simple, Braze practitioner friendly way to personalize your messages with up to date information. No complicated development, team of engineers, or extra data points required. It's as easy as making a spreadsheet, and anyone can make it work without breaking a sweat. Google Sheets makes personalization effortless. Each customer can receive a tailored email based on their data, like their favorite snack or exclusive discounts. Charlie might get a deal on spicy nachos, while Leo could snag ice cream sandwiches. It's really just that easy. But why does this even matter? Personalization equals higher engagement for you. With Braze and Google Sheets, you can easily create personalized connections. Let's quickly see how you can do this yourself. First, you'll need to set up a Google Developers account. This is where you'll generate an API key that allows Braze to connect to your Google Sheet. The key will look something like this. Next, construct your API URL using this format. Replace the placeholders with your specific sheet ID, tab name, data range, and your API key. In our example, the sheet ID is this, the tab is food, the range is A through F, and the full URL will look something like so. The last step is to put this into Braze. In Braze's HTML editor, you can input this full URL within connected content syntax like this to keep your real-time data connected. You can then reference specific dynamic data values in your email. Following these steps, you're on your way to creating dynamic, personalized content directly pulled from Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit covalentmarketing.com for more tips and tricks on how to use Braze.